It's your boy Trey, and I'm back with another shoe review. Man, thank y'all for joining me. As y'all can see on the table, your boy got 3 pair of shoes, but this review is only about 1 pair, all right? We're gonna talk about the Cement Gray. Now I know what y'all saying. Well, you already did a shoe review on the Cement Gray. Yeah, I did, but I put a raffle in for my daughter and for my wife, and I didn't hit. I only hit on toddler size for my god baby and for me. Your boy had to get up Saturday, 9 o'clock, and pull the trigger, and your boy got them, man. So yeah, 9 for my wife, size 9, 5.5, big kids for my daughter. These right here, I got these for my son. This Jordan Dub Zero preschool size. And let me go ahead and show y'all what these look like. Now, your boy don't rock nothing like this, but the little one, he wanted them. You know, the boy 7 years old when he said, "Dad, I want these." We was in the mall earlier, man, and the boy got excited because I was gonna try to get him these black, green, and white. I think it's Jordan 1s. They come out in another week, but the boy said he want these. So let me show y'all how these look right quick. We're go ahead and pull these out. Yeah, man, I think these came out in 2022. So yeah, man, the boy excited about them. And you know what? That's all that counts. You know, you buy what you like. So, hey, he got them. So I'm going ahead and put these to the side. Now, oh, as you can see, your boy sipping. Vodka, of course. All right. Now, let's go ahead and start with my wife's shoes, size 9. And my wife wanted the shoe more than me, but your boy hit on the raffle, so here we go. And again, I already did a review on these, man, but I just want to show y'all my wife's shoes right quick. Take this down. There you go. And she excited about them, man. She love them. It might be a year before she rock them, but you know, she got a lot of shoes. She got to get her clothes game up, get her wardrobe game. But yeah, man, these shoes, she love these shoes, man. But let's go ahead and get to what we came for. All right, here we go. There you go, y'all. Big kid size 5.5. Man. And again, man, your boy love these shoes, man. What y'all think? You got your white mesh upper. You got your blue Jumpman right there on the tongue. You see that? Okay. You have your gray patent leather, your cement gray patent leather. All right, you got your white midsole, of course. Then you got, 2-3 right there, ankle area. And you got your blue Jumpman right there. Then you got your icy blue, translucent bottom. And that's about it, man. I mean, I give it about a week. She gonna have these dirty, but it is what it is, man. But what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them for y'all kids, or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.